have our Communities for Nature program, and within that program there's community forestry, there's spreading like wildflowers, and aquatic connections. And when we're here in Watson Street Park, this is showing our community forestry project. We've been here for 3 years in a row on Earth Day, planting over 1,500 trees and shrubs each year. And then with the aquatic connections, throughout the watershed we're planting aquatic plants either along streams or riverbanks or in man-made ponds. And those aquatic plants don't take long to get established. We plant them in the month of June. They grow profusely over the summer months, and they help to filter the water and improve the water quality, create habitat for the little critters that live in the water, and be a food source. And then also in the month of May and in June as well, we plant wildflowers and grasses, and these are native plants.
One is they create a linkage for wildlife, birds, butterflies, etc., moving up and down the river, but they actually create a buffer for any salts, pesticides, herbicides that might be working their way to the river. The more you can buffer, the better. The other thing is the ones that are right close to the river provide shade, so they actually have a cooling effect on the water, which is good for fish and other aquatic inhabitants.
Right. It's important to get the community involved because it expands. For instance, if somebody's down here helping us plant trees, or a school group comes out and helps plant wildflowers, it might be the only experience they have in being able to get their hands dirty. Sometimes we have kids come out to plant and they've never had the opportunity to get their hands dirty. It might be a result of where they're living, but if they can find that experience and have a good time doing it, and then expand later on in their own lives to